Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill is the best pair at this point of time. See, Rohit just has to focus a little. Sometimes he's getting a good ball and he's getting out. Sometimes he's playing a little rash shot and getting out. I think he needs to focus a little bit more, and if he can organize himself, I think then we will have a really good opening partnership. Once we have a good partnership, I think India is set for a big score. Pujara has been doing really well at number 3, and he has been anchoring the team all the time. But I think what we require at this point of time is that definitely a good start, and also in the middle order, Ajinkya to come through. He has to get runs there. Virat got 70 odd last match, and probably he needs to get his hundreds back, and that will make the difference. Although because batting lineup is quite solid, but these people have to make sure that they come good in these matches. Rishabh is one guy who is fearless, and he plays fearless cricket. He wants to play the way he wants to play. He is more like Sehwag than anybody else. Sehwag was like this, that he wants to score 300 runs in a day, and Rishabh is like that. Rishabh has been doing really well. I think talk about that, but only thing is that this guy can really tear the bowling apart. So if he is there a little longer time, get his 100, and also get those extra 50 runs on board, I think that will make a huge difference to Indian team, because he is one guy who is doing consistently well. But let him finish that innings. Let him go out to 150, 160. He gets out in 90. Instead of that, if he gets about 160, 170, I think India will be looking at a very big score. I think in India they have to play with 3 spinners mostly, unless and until they give a wicket where it's going to seam and it's going to bounce and all that. So that's a good combination. Just the spinners need to organize, bowl consistent line more than anything else. The young bowlers, they have to bowl a consistent line. But saying that, I would say that Root had actually sorted them out by playing those sweep shots and reverse sweep shots and all that. They got a little disturbed by the whole the way that he was handling it. But in the second inning, I think wicket was slightly bad, and Ashwin got 6, Nadeem got 2. They came up good. But yes, in the next match, they will have to bowl much better than what they have bowled in the first game. Between Washington Sundar and Akshar Patel, I would say that if there are 3 or 4 left-handers, I think definitely 2 off-spinners can do really good. But Washington, if you look at it, he is an asset as a batsman also, which he has done that in the second inning also. A bowler who can bat, place, I think Washington fills it really well. It's very unfortunate that we have got such good bowlers who are not playing. The thing is that Siraj, after winning the game there, and Shardul Thakur after winning the game there, still they are unable to find the place. In India, it's always difficult. In India, it's always difficult to find the third spinner there, because there, in Australia, you play 4 fast bowlers, but in here you can play only 2. So the 2 has to, and the 2 best bowlers of the country, they are fit enough to play. So I think that's the reason they are going with Ishant and Bumrah. I don't think they have a choice. They don't have a choice there. If you look at the whole, career-wise, as far as Root is concerned, he has always been successful in Asia. He has always been successful in Asia. Not only in India, but Pakistan as well as, Bangladesh, he has been successful. Sri Lanka has been successful. So I think, he plays spin much better than others. And Root has, he has set up a mark for everybody else. And the standard he has set up for others is quite a huge standard. So he has always been successful in Asia. So we need to sort him out. We need to, basically stop him getting those easy runs where he plays that reverse shot so well. and plays that sweep so well. So we need to plan little well to get him out early. If we can get him out early, then I think we have got a very good chance of winning this test match. Definitely, I think both the teams are really good. See, England with Root, the way that he's playing, he has been doing that for the last 3 matches. He did it in Sri Lanka. Now in India, he has done it again. So I think he will be a key factor there in the England team. But I think winning the toss is very important. Once you win the toss, I think you are in a much better position to put the runs on the board and then go for the kill. So I think that is where the England has done that in the first test match. And this particular match, I think Indians will also plan the same thing. But they also need to understand that this is not a ordinary side. This is a really good side. They've got a good balance in the bowling as well as in the batting. We do have really good batting and bowling lineup. We just are unlucky. We have got certain injury prone players who are not part of this team now. Otherwise, our first 11 is much better than what we have performed the other day. But as you know that in Australia, we bounced back from first test after getting out for 36 and after that bouncing back and winning the 2 test matches. India has got the capacity to do that. I think it will be tough for England also. It's not going to be that easy. Although they have won the first match, but I don't think that will be the same in the second match.